Good morning, Hunter and I are back. We're going to do some slime with shaving cream. Here we go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna need is a half a cup of shaving cream. Just keep going. I feel like we go around here. We're having some, that's good, some problems. Okay, now you're also gonna need a half a cup of glue. Dump her in there. Contact solution, Hunter, you have to open it. Just squirt some in there. You might need more, you might find. We just kind of guess. That should be good, Hunter. And then we're gonna mix it before, but we're gonna add some color. And I got to choose the color this time. I chose yellow. So just a couple drops. Oh, it's gonna be good. So you just wanna mix it together.
Right now it's super sticky.
Like slime? It's slimy like slime?
Kind of. It's ready, it's done, it's stickier than ever, and it's fun.
Kids love slime, hey?
Yep.
The stickier the better. Should we add a little bit of contact solution? A little bit more? And there you have it, guys. A nice rainy day activity. Thanks for watching.